how to fix all app crash problem in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So watch till end. I will fix this problem. So first you have to open your settings, select the application whichever is crashing, or if it is YouTube, Facebook, or any installed application or the system application. So first you have to open that application. So if it is a game also, just go to this I button, that is app information, go to storage and cache, clear the cache, clear the storage. After that you have to give all the permission, just grant all the permission like microphone, notification, photos and videos. Then you have to simple press back. Then you have to go to the settings and click on the applications, and then you have to click on search. So here it is, see all applications. Now click on search. So here you have to write Google Play Services. Now you have to clear cache this application. This is the system application. If you have not done any software update, you have to do it. Then you have to restart your smartphone and your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.